Need a good bike light? Picked this one up recently. Looks practical enough, but let's crack it open and see if it's actually worth buying. Comes in your standard thick cardboard box. No fancy packaging, just the basic specs right on the outside. Inside we got the light, a short little USB cable, a rubber strap for the bars, and the usual manual. It's got an ambient light sensor. Cover it up, boom, turns on by itself. Really handy. Also has a green LED to show your battery level right away. Perfect setup for daily city commutes. Got a few modes here. Solid bright beam, a lower eco mode, and a flasher to keep you visible in traffic. Charging port is tucked underneath. Rubber plug actually fits really tight, so rain and splashes shouldn't be an issue. Alright, teardown time. Screws were in pretty tight. I want to see the solder job and find out what battery they're really using. Guts are pretty clean. Simple build, nothing crazy. Glad they stuck an aluminum heatsink under the LED so it won't cook itself. Here's the power. Standard 18650 cell, marked at 1200 mAh. Best part is you can easily swap in a bigger one later. Huge potential for a quick upgrade. Wiring looks neat enough. Everything wedges tight into the plastic shell, so no annoying rattles when you ride. Firing up the bare board. That LED is super bright. And you can see the heatsink doing its job, barely getting warm at all. Let me get this back in the case. Next up, we'll cut the lights and test it right here in the garage. Stick around to the end to see the beam. This rubber mount is quick, stretches on tight, comes off easy, feels durable enough. Let's test the charge port. Plug it in, indicator wakes right up. Cool thing is you can still use the light while it's charging. Great for running it off a power bank on long trips. Slapping this on the handlebars literally takes 2 seconds. Alright, lights out. Look at how well it lights up the dark garage. Overall, solid piece of gear. Throws a ton of light, you can see everything clearly, and that's what keeps you safe. I bought this with my own money, not sponsored. Link in the description. You can support the channel and join our community by hitting the join button. If you plan to get this later, save the video.